37 minutos al pasan de las 2 de malam karuba. Kata tungtung kay ti adda kami manan by the for the kadu. All my life was a paper. What's plain, pure and white. Till you move with your pen, changing moods now and then, till the balance was right. Then you added some music, every note was in place, and anybody could see all the changes in me by the look in my face. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart. Decorated my life by painting your name all over my heart. You decorated my life. In an unfinished song, there was no other me. Life meant nothing to me until you came along. And he brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be. Shine soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created the world where dreams are apart. Painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Okay, dagiti nga rod nang ablaw iti maudya pa sa iti programa na balong. Nakaturog diti kadwatad to yun. Ano ko na nata?
Juan, naibangal daw yung kuya JM. Pakamusta ang managitoy. Agub obra dito'y amihan. Dito'y heritage nga ni Kim. Ati Lotis, pare Jerome, pare Amor. Kandagang mano, tagmamano, ti CDO. Nag-text, Mark, to'y amihan heritage. Dito tayo banda, tabal? Taigid. Taga 350 lang nga po. CD may Haji Barbaro kasla may gimatang tatag dito ya po permiti kay na.
One and it's original Karuba and may sabay nakatulong kayo ti industriya iti musika Ilocano. Ang kay gabagata nga po tagiti taga 20 pesos dito ay gigid data kat pinirata.
Oy.
Apoy nagpapapit dito.
Good okay. Mga manong kablak man bakat ko aglablaba. Nagtindingig ti programa yo rekas mantay. Ice buko para tipada nga tagay-tsagay. Thanks.
Ice buko kanaw.
Ice buko. Naglamis lagaro doon. Ice buko pa. Ay di pa kanta yung manjay. Ayat ni may sa alakay. Thanks. JRT Cordo. Iyayat himay sa alakhan.
May alat ako ang data ni Time Kadua.
Good day po, great.
Nga paset iti programa.
Kuman.
Yan,
Amin nga security guard ti Sidekick Force kan amin ni staff iso da manager Tirso de la Cruz, AOM Alfredo Albino, Sir Tolentino, Madam Presi Pabonos, Sir Gas Kumandya kanta nga Ilocano ti Always by Atlantic ka na. It's me, security guard Alinday of Sidekick Force.
Girl, you are to me. Pwede Ilocano
na. Ilocano ka no.
Kinantatan sa iti nagpaisa.
Tapos dapat yun baga na Lonely is the Night.
Okay.
Without the night, how to live without you. Without the night.
Okay din ba? Nga malimit ito stasyon manong, kablawan man, dati Lolits, Imelda Grace, Jerome Mark. Lotis, dito no balibaliktad. O, diba?
Ay, heritage mo lang na, amihan mo lang ni gaya.
Apo, taga-amihan da amin tayo ito. Kita man lang, agikitan nga nag-text. Hey, DJ, hi, di pa yung tayo man, Jay. Ayat, may isang, ay, nalagpas mo dagitan. Oh my God. Pabati na po kami dito sa Brooke sa Ismalvar. Pagtitugan po Closer by Chainsmoker. Oh.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. Learned so much, you're trying to let you. Oh, okay. I know it breaks your heart.
Ay, so okay, pwede Chainsmoker. Okay, magandang hapon.
Po Ninong June.
Pero
kasama tayo Sabon.
From Ramon Isabela.
Sino nga ta?
Nagadumong orte na po ti kasartata. Di ka muna sinadagitan. Okay,
Great
15 more
Command
minutes.
Bro. Tinaimbang nga pangal daw ti batch 84. Nagkablao si Regio. Ti LSR Ranyag. Ranyag.
Oo, last salita from Ramon.
Ewan. Taga-Ranyag, kantaan nyo man tayo kawitan ni tatang piki-pikilen, ni tatang apro-aprosan, ni nanang. Manong June na ading yam kanan ko i-share ti video yung agkan-kanta. Idi-adapt balasi utaaw.
Wow, tatata dito ka na may si-share.
Kaplawak man, asawa kan anak ko nga ni Janelle kan Mike Jimwell from Jenny of Sagana. Oh, telang na yung Sagana dito ni.
Okay, doon na po iti request and dedication dito yung text line kat kami mas paalanan nga road. Better luck next time po. Ito sumasal mo po nga programa mi barbari nga matumpungan nga road. May sapi nga sunata po para katayo amin. Bet you want a springtime day. You were mine in your life and I was mine and mine too. Lady, when you looked my way, I had a strange sensation, darling, that's when I knew that it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Up in the night, and I reached beside me, hoping you would be there. But instead I find someone who believed in me when I said I'd always care. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. So I live my life in a dream world for the rest of my days. Just you and me walking hand in hand in a wishful memory. Oh, I guess it's all that it will ever be. Wish I had a time machine I could make myself go back until the day I was born. Then I would live my life again and rearrange it so that I'd be yours from now on. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else, but the right one comes along. Was it sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along?
Some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never reached where we were out to make the steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was running about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sung. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Still learning about life. My world were children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember that, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold? Will I have a lot of children who can hold me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold? Will I have a lot of children who can hold me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Okay, tapay iti pahabol na po nga greetings ito ay pakigreet man ni ading Olivia Fe. Nakikinig from Dallas, Texas. Kuna na ni ading Rainier Ruiz. Nga ro, dagtultuloy iti mahuting nga sunsonata iti 4 dekadawaw. As requested our text line.
Stay with me, don't go. Talk with me for just a while. So much of you get to know. mine. Marry me, let me live with you. Do things wrong when love is right. Like a man said in his song, help me make it through the night. Loneliness can get you down when you've got the thinking no one cares. Lean on me
And I lean on you.
together we will see you through. Oh, I don't like to sleep alone. Sad to think some folks do. So I don't like to sleep alone. No one does. Do you?
I don't like to sleep alone.
No one does. Do you? Ngarod, ti mawadi nga sunata mi apo. May paay ti amin. Nga dumdungag palengka ng tatang manibod ito tayo rugi.
Aw, dumis ko kayo.
Tumala tayo amin.
Kaslakasaran lang ya.
Apo, kasala na pakit kita tagiti RIC, tagiti Arglo, tagiti Nabartak na sumarsalay titingan
Disco light. Disco light.
Thank you very much, Abu. Aming itong magitay Mixel R. Tagiti Nabati, we have Manang Dalingan, Manang Virgie, Kaling Kapsat Cathy, Manang Felicia Martillo, Ninya Gale, ni Auntie Marlex, ni ating Merla, ni Rainier, kini Elaine Rosendo, ken 15 pa apong awan kinagana. Go, John Mark.
Who's that knocking on the door? It's gotta be a quarter four. Is it you again? Coming round for more. Well, you can love me tonight if you want, but in the morning make sure you're gone. I'm talking to you. Hot legs, you're wearing me out. Hot legs, you can scream and shout. Hot legs, are you still in school? I love you, honey.
Wow, pare, bigat.
I almost wasted some time.
Sweet.
We're having all kinds of fun, but what you don't understand,
Mamon.
I'm a working man.
Napindot na. Nagsana sa padiretso.
I'm gonna need a shot of vitamin E. By the time you're finished with me, I'm talking to you. Hot flesh, you're an alley cat. Hot flesh, you scratching my back. Hot flesh, bring your mother a shoe. I love you, honey. Now.
Okay. Natanong mo na po, di ba nagsisinan? Aha, kaya sabi ko ma, ure pagpatkikot, napaisip na kayo, napabalsida kayo, napadisco na kayo, kada tingor ti manong yung June Serialas.
Yan ka na kanyo dyan pastor.
Nga agkong ko na,
Agis iso ka, tapno pumudaw ka.
At da kami tumanan na po next week, iti kasi mo lang nga oras, alas 12 nga na ti alas.
Tres.
Iti malo dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Pumakata kami na po nga, may diretso mi ti kanta ilipas mi da ito'y agkugunggun tayo lata. Okay.
I
Bigat.
Imagine how the day felt in your jet black suspender bed. 17 years old, you're striking 64. You got a legs right up to your neck. You're making me feel incorrect. I'm talking to you. Hot legs, you're wearing me out. Hot legs, you can scream and shout. Hot legs, are you still in skin?
Naglabagakan.
Of your honey.
Once again, Abu, agyaman kami for being with us for the last 3 hours. And Abu, nag-enjoy kami lang unay. Thank you very much. Kat, sumaroon na po iti Top 20 by
DJ Sam and DJ Hanks.
When. So once again, goodbye and God bless everyone.
97.7.
Sweet.
I just want to let y'all know.